this lawn is really wet, and I'll try and show how wet by getting a bit of a close up. You see my hands drenched, and normally not a good time to mow a lawn, but thanks to my new John Deere mower here, look at this attachment. Turns it into a side thrower. All mowers inside with wet grass will get clogged up, but put that attachment on, there you go. Makes all the difference. So I'm going to mow this as low as I can. Even though it's wet grass, I'm going to mow it on the lowest level, just to show the it's working. Okay, so as you can see there, looks like a bit of a fail. So like any other mower, gets blocked up in the side chute with wet grass. So yeah, definitely works, but going right down to low probably doesn't. I'm going to come up one and see if that's the right height. So yeah, in this example you can see when I did it the lowest level, no good, blocks up. Level, the second level, fine, shooting out the side, really wet grass, really wet grass. But yeah, once you find that right height, it's all good. Okay, so this is real life, and in real life things happen. So what I've actually done, I've moved it up one level. I'm not going to lie and say I left it on the second lowest. It has to be on the next one up. And the reason being, not because of the side chute, because of the back chute. It blocks up. Too much grass for the power. That is simple, it's quicker. But in this case I've found that going straight up and down, shooting the grass outwards, doesn't block it. So that's just something I've just found out. I'm going to have to do that today. So a few things I've learned: I've got to be up higher, I've got to stop the back blocking up, and also the mowing technique has to be different. time. That's working great. Level 3, that's from the bottom. Also another little tip, if you get one of these JS48s, there's an on-off switch here for the self-propelled. So if it's locked, you can't move it, unlock it, goes all the way back and forward. Just another thing to add to the video. But anyway, I'm going to get in and finish this job off now. Shut up. There is no way I can perfectly mulch all this grass. Because it's wet, it lumps up. So, there's no other option. You've got to go over it a few times. So, there's a big clump down there to the left, I think you can see. I'll just show you. Right, so very happy with that. Just move the camera. So yeah, I went over there, it was a bit thick, so unfortunately we've done it again, the clumps. But hey, as you know, my videos are not like the movies, they're real, and this is real, this is what really happens. You get clogged up, it's not going to be a perfect job every time, so what I do know is the more I go over it, the better it looks. Okay, so the mower's done a pretty good job in the conditions. When it's wet, I'll do the edges second. So I'm not going to push it up into the corners like this. I'm going to use a whippersnipper for that because there's a stump. Could be anything else in there. But yeah, the rest will be done with a whippersnipper. Then after the whippersnipper, that will have shot all the grass inwards. Then I'll go around with the blower, dry everything out, and leave it looking perfect. I'll just sit this here now and finish it off. Taken about 15 minutes extra, but I still managed to turn what was quite a long wet lawn into what looks almost dry, thanks to the blower, whippersnipper, and the ability to be able to shoot it out the side. So I'll get to it.